Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pechay with giniling. We will begin by gathering our core ingredients: 1 pound of ground pork and 2 large bundles of fresh pechay. You will also need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and 1 inch of ginger for a flavorful base. Have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 cup of water or broth prepared. These simple ingredients are all you need for a comforting dish. Now, let's prepare our ingredients to ensure everything cooks perfectly. First, thoroughly wash the pechay, separating each leaf under running water to remove any dirt or debris. Once clean, chop the pechay, keeping the white stems separate from the green leaves. This helps them cook evenly. Mince your 2 cloves of garlic, thinly slice the small onion, and finely grate the 1 inch of ginger. These steps make for a smooth cooking process. It's time to start cooking the ground pork. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over a medium flame. Add your minced garlic, sliced onion, and grated ginger, sautéing them for about 1 to 2 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Now, add the 1 pound of ground pork, breaking it apart with your spoon. Cook this mixture for about 8 to 10 minutes until the giniling is nicely browned and thoroughly cooked. Let's bring all the flavors together. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, stirring well to coat the ground pork. Next, add the white stalks of your chopped pechay, cooking for about 2 minutes before introducing the green leaves. Pour in 1 cup of water or chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, just until the pechay is tender crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.